Here's my inverter because this is from Costco. I need to inverter ba. Smoothie time. Breakfast. Inside up. What is it? Bacon. Hindi mo na binunta nga pinatas. Gamay na. Torta nga ano. Ano ka nirang ano to ng lobo-lobo? Oo. Na, torta. Mahaw. Ayan. So, today is Tuesday, September 17. Suspended yapon ang klase because of the typhoon Hiner. Ano na Hiner pag ano katanang? Giner. Kaya ang pag-spell na G-E-N-E-R. Giner. Ayan. So, kids still staying home.
Ay, letter G na ito kasi ko. Letter G na.
Alphabet gali. And so, Stephanie is not feeling good. Kay suray-suray man sa uran. Diba? And then, she complained about having sore throat yesterday. And this morning, pagbugtaw na, nahilanat doon. So, effective gid ang sore throat dara hilanat. Pero bay maubo dura ng but para nga hindi maglala, we are boiling ano now, Lagundi leaves. Ayan. So, no more cough syrup from the pharmacy. Lagundi lang. O, di ba nang? Lagundi. Ayan, vlogger. Lagundi leaves. Stephanie is getting sick. Ay, yeah, Juliana, ha? You guys keep going out in the rain. You go get sick too. We are going Lagundi leaves. Written na ang exam. So, ganyan lang ang process kapag laga ng Lagundi. I get it into a big boil and then lower it, simmer into lower heat for about 10 to 15 minutes and then let it cool down and tara painom sa mga nahilangat kag naubo. And then after 15 minutes of simmering, I am going to strain it right here. I put it in the sink. Delicado. Most kids don't like this because of the taste. It's bitter and all that stuff. But I'm glad my girls acquired the taste of it. Cows are out today. He dropped his rice or whatever. My phone is a mess.
Phone is blurry all the time.
Right. And JD right next to me. Friends, they have imported products. Olive oil. This is new shrimp flavor. Uchong-chang. Oh, I need bread. I need this. Biscuit bread. What else?
Requesting Adrian, 50 please. Adrian, 50 please.
My points. I have right here 471 points. And I Dimby. And yeah. So over time it piles up a little bit.
Yeah.
Prince card, you have to apply, but you have to pay for that. I paid 50. They got checkpoint, I mean. I got 50. I have to pay 50 pesos for that card though, for you to stack up the points there every time you. I don't know. I just seen a blinking light, red and light. So you see it?
That's all.
So it's not a checkpoint. I'm sorry. It's just them resting in there. Those are not. And wow, look at our squid. Oh, grabe ata na. That's it na na.
You make a banana box.
Yeah, I put sinaw in her wound. Ayun, nakasandad sa oven. So what am I doing now? I have to strain this dirt that we bought last time kasi ang daming it's a lot of like debris in it. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun lang yung na-strain ko na, but I have to cut this kasi mahirap. Ayan, so this is the dirt. See, right here. From here. See how much debris it got in here. See? Aya, oh, meron. There is
There's a wall.
yeah, I don't know what kind of worm that is. I made this thing too tiny. Should be like this. I have to make it a little bigger.
So you have to make it.
Not this way. Right here. I'll just put the whole thing in here na lang. Put right here. See. Not too long. Right here. So this is the dirt, fine dirt now after straining it, and then I'm going to put hot water in it to wet it. Just hold this, wet it. And this is hot water from my thermos. Ay! Let's see. And then I do halo. Okay, that's it.
I thought you said that's it.
Yeah. And then I'll put more. You people brush teeth. You have not brushed your teeth since you ate.
Oh yeah, my science teacher's told me.
This is so hot. You're what?
My science teacher told me anytime you eat something after you need to brush your teeth. Mom, can I have this?
Yeah.
Here it goes.
Get it right here. Yeah. I need to get this Black Beauty tomato and transfer it here. Right here. Right here. See? Transplant it here.
Would it still be alive?
Yeah. I'm trying to.
But if it has no
Let
dirt
it
on it, would
grow.
it be dead?
Yeah. See right here. It's right here. Why are you doing? See? Okay.
Not tall enough.
Okay. Now. Okay, here's my first black beauty tomato. I hope it will survive. Okay, turn it off. So here's I just did the peppers, and I got a whole lot more of lavender, and I need my tomatoes and maybe eggplant. Yep. Ayan guys, so here is my seed starter guys. Ayan, so I got 3 kinds of plants. Eggplant, tomatoes, and peppers. And this is my black beauty seedlings. Let's see if they can up. Ayan lang. I put cling wrap para ma-trap yung moisture. Ayan. So we planted beets, yellow beets, red beets, lettuce, romaine, red lettuce. These are cucumbers. From here to here, cucumbers. And these are, ano ito naman? Tomatoes or eggplant? Tomatoes, bang manang, and eggplant, no? Okay, so ayan lang. I did not put label, I just filmed it. Ayan, let's see if they will come up. Again?
You must make it a habit to clean your hidden body parts. Use clean water and a mild soap in cleaning them.
On me early when I was out here. I'm like, I'm not your mate.
And then the sun came out after the storm. Oh, and ouch! Ay, may subay na pangagat. I'm going to harvest some of this. Balato. Hantak ko, hantak. Uy, di man dyan ang ubos. And katumbaws. Gamot pala. Fire ants pala. Big red ants.